Logan. I'm gonna go hang out with him for a few minutes and then bring him home. And we will go do something today because all of us want to. I don't like being short in a big truck. Whew, it's hot in here. Everybody wants to do something. Even Jason's talking to me, which is weird, kind of. So,
fuck you.
what? You're being domestic. Every woman loves a domestic man.
No. Am I like the guest star? Am I like the guest star for today or something?
No. Hopefully I'm going to have a lot of other people and explosions and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, watch yourself.
You're horrible, Tiffany.
Here.
Shit on my...
Big house. I love your sofa. We're leaving. He doesn't like us leaving.
So I'm eating my sorrows away. And my
Eating
sorrows taste pretty damn good.
Eating cookie dough ice cream. Driving down the street.
Putting on seatbelt.
Putting on a seatbelt. He's the smart one, not me. I don't wear my seatbelt.
That's because I don't want to die. I mean, I trust you driving.
I don't want to live through the crash.
Good point.
Anyway.
Hey. Hey, look, I found an RPG game for you.
What is it?
I don't know. Just as a review. RPG that you can play solo or groups.
How freaking creepy is this?
You know what I'm going to do though?
I don't like that one.
It tightens the mask.
I don't like that one. Okay, so we are going to walk in the road. That's cool. We are gonna go play at the park and bowl. Hi, Logan. Logan loves me. I'm gonna break up with Forrest to be with Logan. Not really, but I do love him. I love him like my best friend because he is my best friend. He's my bestie. But, so we're gonna go play, and then tonight we're Sobe bombing. We're Sobe bombing. Are you photo bombing me back there?
No.
Okay, you better not be. Anyway, so, and if you're asking about the masks, so am I. So, yeah. But it is freaking people on the
Halloween spirit.
We're getting in the Halloween spirit, apparently. Well, it's scaring the shit out of people all around us, so that's pretty interesting. Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun. So we've been picking people up, and it just scares the shit out of me. I don't even want to look at him. I love my Logan. He's my baby. He's my sweetheart. He's my bestie. But I don't like him in a clown mask. Especially not that kind of clown mask. I think because it's so realistic. I don't like realistic masks at all.
He's not cute.
Look at who's here. Look at. Who is it? It's my minions. Oh, hi. I love my minions.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Jason's here. Hi, Jason.
What's up?
We love Jason.
Show me down.
Jason's amazing. Do it. Do it, Jason. Get up there and spin.
I remember this thing. It hurts.
Ow.
That thing hurts to go through.
Yay! It's the end of the world as we know it. Wait a minute. I'm gonna make you guys do this, so.
That thing hurts. I hate that thing.
Okay, let me see you guys spin. Go the other way. Oh, I was hoping it would like jerk him off. I didn't read it like that. So mean.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Pedal that. Well, you can't see that. So. Okay, where are we going now? Now we go to. Oh, we should stop at the Best Buy Market, and we can't. Yeah, we can. We need to get more pallets for my haunted house. My haunted house. And all right. So now we go back to my house. Go get stuff. We'll stop and I can't stop and get the truck. You gotta come back and get it. So everybody's having fun and everything like that. And then it's time for us to go back to Needles to go do stuff. And this is what the car turns into. Everybody's quiet and depressed because we have to go back to Needles to do this.
F you, Needles.
If you don't understand what that means that we absolutely hate Needles. The idea of having to go back to do anything depresses us so much that we don't want to do anything.
And then we think about what we're doing and we're happy.
And then we think about what we're doing, and until we start doing it, nobody's happy. Gay planker, doesn't know how to plank. Can you owl?
Kind of weird.
Owl.
How the fuck do you do that?
That's where you crouch down like an owl when you're on top of something.
Pretty sketchy.
Oh my god! Oh.
That shit,
You gotta have some straight up abs.
Yeah, straight up everything.
It's all right here. Like you can feel it in your arm because you gotta hold yourself up.
No, I'm gonna spin it and jump on it.
You know how to speed up? Start out with some of your legs sticking out. When you're spinning, pull your leg in, and it'll speed you up.
Sit! Sit!
Start out with your legs sticking out, get going, and then pull your leg in, and it'll speed you up.
It had a ballerina butt.
Huh. He did a pirouette.
Just clench to it, you'll go faster.
Pull yourself in! Pull yourself in, Logan! In! Stop! Jason! Pull in! Logan! Hug it! Stand up! Stand up! Get up! Get up!
Go run a straight line! Go run a straight line!
I'm not listening to you again, Jason.
Oh shit! Forrest, give me a chip.
Stop abusing me! Just because I'm sitting in the dark corner.
Okay.
I'm good.
Don't
Here
hit
you
your
go.
face on it.
Huh. Arms up. Woo! My own personal Batman. Yay! Now get your gay ass down. Your turn. Go.
I don't think I'm not like Forrest.
Go, little Sheila.
Justin, help
Go.
me.
Give her a foot.
Give me a foot. Put it up. Up, up.
I can't do it. I can't.
Yes, you can. Now hold her feet up there because her Converse won't. Put your hands up. Hands next to your sides. Woo! Davy Batman. Okay, get down. Okay, so we're out here. We're gonna do subby bombing. They gotta build the fire and stuff first.
What?
So. Ah!
What's the toilet paper?
In here. Don't lose my lid.
Why did you buy that shit?
Because it makes it better. You're making me drink Miller.
You're not supposed to be drinking it.
By the way.
Hoodlums.
By the way, we have to drink these so that we can do our soapy bombs. We have 5 or 6 empty bottles already, but we need some for when we take Jason out. So, yeah, have to empty them. I'm hungry. I shouldn't be drinking on an empty tummy. Why does it look like it's coming out the side? Oh, it is. Okay. There it is.
Oh my god! That was a good one.
First Sobe bomb of the night. No, I haven't had... So, I've got hiccups. We've done 4. We've done 4 Sobe bombs already. And so I'm... unimpressed. I'm unimpressed.
I'm impressed. I'd be more
I
impressed
am
with that
going...
food in me.
I agree.
Playing with the
Damn it!
flashlights.
These hiccups need to end. I will end. I can't even say it. I will end you. Anyway, so I think we're gonna do one more.
Yeah, you can send it back with me if you want.
I think we're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna leave because I am hungry, I am hiccuping, and then I'm going to start throwing up if I don't eat. Bye! Bye!
Bye!
You are loved.